unlock the immense power of Google's Gemini AI within your serverless AWS Lambda functions. Our journey begins by setting up your AWS Lambda function. Navigate to the AWS Lambda console and initiate the creation of a new function. Choose a runtime like Python, which offers excellent support for API interactions, and provide a descriptive name for your function. Next, we need to grant your Lambda function the necessary permissions. This involves creating an IAM role within the IAM console. Define a role that allows your Lambda function to execute. You'll want to attach policies that permit network access and any other AWS services your application might interact with. Now, let's secure your access to the Gemini API. Head over to the Google Cloud or Gemini API Developer Console. Locate the section for generating an API key, and once created, copy this key. It's crucial for authenticating your requests. For security and flexibility, store your Gemini API key as an environment variable within your Lambda functions. Configuration. This keeps your sensitive credentials out of your code. You can find this by selecting your Lambda function and looking for the Environment Variables section. Within your Lambda functions code, you'll write logic to interact with the Gemini API. This involves constructing the appropriate request, which includes your prompt and any specific parameters for the AI model, and then sending it to the Gemini API endpoint using your API key for authentication. Once your Lambda function executes, it will send your prompt to Gemini. The API will process your request and return a response containing the AI's generated output, which you can then use to enhance your serverless application's functionality, empowering it with cutting-edge natural language processing capabilities. By integrating Gemini with AWS Lambda, you're building Scalable, AI-powered cloud solutions that can handle complex natural language tasks with ease, opening up a world of advanced possibilities for your applications.